Hi and welcome along to another recipe. Today what I'm doing is sweet potato slices with smashed avo, mushrooms, capsicum and some pea shoots on the top. So this is like a stack. It's a great way to do it, no bread. You could use eggplant as the base, but today we're using kumara or sweet potato. It's much more filling and it's really delicious. We're also using our homemade pesto, so you'll find the recipe for the pesto next to the video as well. That's basically if you've got basil available at home. I grow holy basil because you get a big bush and you get an endless supply of basil for year after year. So that's a really good thing to look at as well. But basically enjoy this recipe. It's really delicious and it's perfect for your herbal detox, your deep cleanse. Also, if you're doing it on a slim or a body tune program, you can add a poached egg or something like that on top as well, which makes it even more filling. Enjoy! Okay, so here's the basil pesto already made. I made quite a big batch, but this is how much I'm going to use on this recipe. And we've got some micro radish shoots, some mung bean sprouts and some pea tendrils. So I got these at the local organic store. A few button mushrooms, one avocado and half a dozen cloves of garlic. And I've already sliced the sweet potato and I've put that on with about 10 minutes, and then I've just flipped it and added the capsicum. So the capsicum's been cut into 6 pieces, or you just need enough for 1 piece on each slice of sweet potato. Button mushrooms have been thrown in there with some garlic. So this is, as you do the second half of the sweet potato, you throw the garlic and mushrooms in the pan. Alright, so now we're going to serve, and this is a really simple recipe. It takes about 20 minutes to cook the sweet potato, and about 5 to 7 minutes to cook the mushrooms. And then we just squash the avocado onto the sweet potato. Probably want a nice soft avocado. Mine was a bit firm this day. And then just plenty of pesto. So you can be quite generous with the pesto. It's really delicious. I make mine with peas, holy basil, olive oil, and I put a bit of herbs and spices in there as well. And then the button mushrooms and the garlic just over the top. And this can be a bit tricky, getting these to sit on the top, but we'll doctor that up. And then finally we're going to add the shoots. So it's just a matter of getting a combination of whatever sprouts or shoots you've got available and adding those over the top. If you don't have shoots, you could use a few peas, things like capers or olives even. And then finally we're just going to give this a drizzle with some olive oil and a pinch of salt, and we're ready to go. Delicious.
Look at that. What is it?
Kumara smashed avocado.
Kumara smashed avocado.
Homemade pesto. Mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
Capsicum.
Wow. So nice.